Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Salesforce automation with process builder alternatives, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the setup menu. In the quick find box, type flow and select flows under process automation. Click on the new flow button to start creating a new automation flow. Choose the type of flow you want to create, such as record triggered flow or scheduled flow. For a record triggered flow, select Record. Decide whether the flow should trigger when records are created, updated, or deleted. After setting the trigger, configure criteria to specify which records will execute the flow. Use the Add Condition option to refine which records should activate the automation. Once the conditions are set, click on Done to proceed to the next step. Now, drag and drop the necessary elements from the toolbox onto the flow canvas. For example, you might want to add a record create or record update element to specify actions that should be taken. Configure each element as needed, filling in required fields and setting values based on your automation goals. If you want to add decision-making logic, include a decision element to guide the flow based on conditions. Connect the nodes by clicking on the small circles that appear on the edges of the elements you've added. This establishes the order in which the actions will occur. Once your flow is complete, click on the Save button to save your work. Provide a meaningful name and description for your flow to help identify its purpose. Next, click on Activate to make your flow live, allowing it to process records based on the trigger criteria. If you anticipate multiple automations, consider implementing subflows for better organization. After activation, test your flow thoroughly to ensure it behaves as expected. You can create test records to simulate conditions and verify that your flow performs the correct actions. Monitor the flow's performance through the flow interview logs to troubleshoot any issues. Review the flow regularly to make adjustments based on business needs or process changes. By using flow as an alternative to Process Builder, you can create powerful automations tailored to your unique requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.